Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Come along with me while I make this tumbler. So as you saw, I prepared the sublimation sheet with the design already on it, and right now I'm trying to fit it to the tumbler to make sure that I create the perfect scene. So as you saw, I taped that bad boy up and then we put it in the press and we pressed one side, and then we're going to flip it 180 degrees and press the other side. Alright, so she hot. We're gonna let her cool down real quick, and then for the reveal. So we got the perfect cup. Now we gotta add those perfect additions. If you would like to know or want to see a video on how I made any of the materials that I use to customize my packaging, of course, please comment below and hit that like button and subscribe. I don't know why. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and come back for another video. Bye.